Hello coders, in this video we are going to understand what is recursion and how it works in very simple and easy way. So let's get started. So what is recursion? If you Google this you get.
Recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself.
So by this definition is sure that you don't understand that how recursion works. Don't worry, I tell you, let's go to code. Let's create a function whose name is factorial, which takes a parameter in. So first in recursion, there are two essential cases. First one is base case. This case used to stop the recursion, and the another case is recursive case. This case used to modify the argument and call the same function again. Now test your code with 5 and with 4. As you see, it worked perfectly. So to understand the logic, let's consider n equal to 3. Now substitute every value of n equal to 3. As we know that 3 not equal to 1, so base case is fail, then it goes to recursive case, and here it again, call same function with change in argument. To get value of this function again, we have to solve, so now n become 2, and it enter in base case where it fail, because 2 is not equal to 1, and again it goes to recursive case. Here we again don't know the value of function, call same function with change in argument. To get value of this function again, we have to solve this function. So now n become 1. So it enter in base case where it pass and return 1. So we get 1 value. As we put 1 in above equation, we get our solution, which is 2. And now if we put this value in above equation, we get 3 into 2, which is 6, who is answer. I hope you like this video and comment any doubt you have. And for more helpful video, just subscribe.